Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakia ke Jylla James PK Sangma ulapan pau ke jing Khuslai ya ke jing mi jong Khniang coronavirus ubat thymmai balatip kumu Omicron ubala sedang len shop mentah haki babon kiri ke pertai bad bala sedang rong ha ke negari jongi bad ong ba ke sarkar ke lesyem ya borok ki senjam ke badan kam ban te alakam ya ke jing wan rong jong nu Khniang sya ke negari Jylla Habai keren begilat patai kubor Uniu Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakia ulong ba Ketenat Kokot Kakia kalapit ngor bahai ke jing len shop jong Khniang Omicron bat kalsyem khia bahai kilat klinti badan kam ban tek lakam ke jing sapriang jong Uniu Khniang jing pang ha ke Jylla ula pentip bagi breu ke bawah nasyabar ke Jylla mentakin hak ban le tes la kidai ke beladap simtika ni ki bompat dap bat kila don ru ki kendon jing batha bala buak dak sarkar ban pentikna babarok ki breu ken la ban im kat kum ke jing long jing man Halor ka jingdon ki kot penmi oksigen ha ke Jylla Menteri uliat ho bang sarkar kalabo iki oksigen plan ha ke leng jaka bat kan om don jing asyo ke Jylla ha bapai sya ka jingdon kam ya ka oksigen
So we are monitoring the situation very closely regarding the Omicron. So far, there have not been any cases reported, and the Chief Secretary of late has just recently taken stock of the situation, and as I said that this is something that we are very concerned about, and we are keeping our vigil. Even now, also all people coming from outside, they are being made to undergo tests, and we are checking whether they are vaccinated or not. So those kind of steps and measures are in place, and they're being followed up very stringently.
So citizens have now questioned where is the health minister because festivals are taking place, all COVID-19 protocols are being violated. What do you have to say to that?
See, the thing is that there are protocols in place, right? And now you can't really physically go and start, picking up people, locking them up. So therefore, it is also very important for our citizens to understand that these protocols, even though there are reductions in cases, it does not mean we let down our guard, and that they should be vigilant and not take this for granted. And now we can't allow total lockdown, right? We have to get on with our lives. So we are trying to find that balance. I mean, I understand there may be a lot of people who are critical about that, but there are also a lot of people who are facing livelihood issues. Now, how do you, answer to that? So we have to be considerate about livelihoods, we have to be considerate about the economy, and at the same time, we have to make sure that, measures are put in place to make sure that COVID does not rampage the state.